So as a lot of you know, we are a Porsche certified repair facility. Here we have a Porsche 991 911. This car suffered a front end impact and it needs its front tub as well as its upper rail replaced. Here you can see this car on a car bench frame machine. And here we have the frontmost jig section set up to properly measure the placement of this front left rail. Once it's in this jig, we know that this car is perfectly in factory specification and measurement and will drive perfectly fine and straight once it gets on the road. As you can see here, the part has been bonded and riveted in using structural adhesive and rivets sent to us straight from Porsche. This is a bit of a big job, but it's something that we do quite often and we're very comfortable with. We bang these out, maybe we even do 15 of these a year. Like I said, although it is a complicated job, you're in great hands when you're at J&B.